Hello everyone, I am Dr. Samir Arbut. I am an interventional pulmonologist leading the COVID-19 team for the past 8 months, and today I am going to talk to you about the COVID-19 vaccine. I am sure most of you have heard about these vaccines either in the news or on social media, on WhatsApp or Facebook, but there are a lot of misconceptions about these vaccines. When we try to understand the vaccine, we need to understand the virus, which is the SARS-CoV-2 virus, which leads to COVID-19 disease. There are two types of vaccines available in India. The first one is the Covaxin and the second one is the Covishield. The Covaxin is an inactivated vaccine which has the right potential to initiate an immune response inside your body, but lacks the potential to actually cause a disease or infection. On the other hand, the Covishield is a vector based vaccine in which the adenovirus is used as a vector or a vehicle to transport the spike protein of the SARS-CoV-2 virus inside your body and help your body build an immune response against this disease. There are three ways in how a vaccine works. The first way is that when you get yourself vaccinated, there is a 70 to 80% chance that you will be safe from contracting this COVID-19 disease. The second way how a vaccine works is that if you get infected post vaccination, your symptoms will be either mild or moderate and you will be safe from the severe form of COVID-19. The third and the most important way how a vaccine works is that when most of the people of a city or a community or a country get vaccinated, it builds to what we call is a herd immunity, and then there are very few people left to spread the disease, thus bringing the disease completely under control. There is a lot of confusion about the potential of these vaccines, but you have to consider that these vaccines are like parachutes which will be helpful when you jump off a plane. So instead of thinking as to which parachute works better, you have to actually pull the cord. Similarly, rather than wasting your time in comparing these two vaccines, you should make sure that you get yourself vaccinated whenever it's your chance for the vaccination. Something that you need to remember is, like every vaccine, this vaccine can lead to mild reactions, that is fever, body ache or headache, which might last for the first 24 to 48 hours. These can be relieved with simple medication and should not be a deterrent for you while getting yourself vaccinated. I believe with sincere efforts and combined understanding, we will be able to defeat the COVID-19 virus. I hope this information was useful for you in understanding the myths about the COVID-19 vaccine. It is imperative that we follow all basic precautions of wearing a mask, regular hand wash and maintaining social distance. This is Dr. Samir Arbut wishing you good health and a happy life. Stay strong, stay safe. Thank you.